Welcome to NIST Cybersecurity Framework CSF 2.0 transition. In the next few minutes, we will explore the key changes between CSF 1.1 and 2.0, the new governed function, and how to plan a smooth transition. Let us get started. We begin by examining the most significant changes that NIST introduced in CSF 2.0 and why they matter. Understanding the differences between the two versions is the first step in planning an effective transition. CSF 1.1 served as an excellent foundation, but had gaps in governance, scope, and supply chain coverage. CSF 2.0 addresses the limitations of its predecessor with broader applicability, stronger governance, and richer guidance. The addition of the governed function is the most significant change in CSF 2.0. Let us explore what it means. The governed function establishes cybersecurity as a strategic priority and integrates it into organizational governance. Organizational context ensures cybersecurity strategy aligns with business objectives and stakeholder expectations. A clear risk management strategy guides all cybersecurity decisions and resource allocation. Clear roles and responsibilities eliminate ambiguity about who owns cybersecurity decisions and actions. Policies translate risk management strategy into actionable directives that guide daily operations. Oversight ensures that cybersecurity activities remain aligned with organizational needs as conditions change. Transitioning from CSF 1.1 to 2.0 requires a structured approach that minimizes disruption while maximizing improvement. We start by assessing our current maturity against CSF 1.1 to understand our baseline position. We map our existing controls and practices to the new CSF 2.0 categories and subcategories. Gap analysis reveals where we need new capabilities, particularly in the new governed function. We create a prioritized transition plan that addresses the most critical gaps first. We execute the plan, implementing new controls and updating our organizational profiles to reflect CSF 2.0. Most CSF 1.1 controls map directly to CSF 2.0, but some have been reorganized or expanded. The identify function remains mostly intact, but some subcategories have been moved or refined. Protect Now includes stronger supply chain security expectations that may require new controls. These functions benefit from improved implementation examples that help us strengthen existing practices. The governed function requires the most effort as it represents entirely new requirements for most organizations. CSF 2.0 enhances both organizational profiles and implementation tiers to provide more practical guidance. Updated profiles should reflect the six-function structure and incorporate the new governed categories. NIST encourages community profiles that provide sector-specific guidance organizations can adopt and customize. Implementation tiers help organizations communicate their cybersecurity maturity level to leadership and stakeholders. CSF 2.0 provides significantly more implementation examples that translate abstract requirements into concrete actions. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of the CSF 2.0 transition. The governed function is the most significant addition, requiring organizations to formalize cybersecurity governance. The expanded scope means more organizations can benefit from CSF guidance regardless of their size or sector. Existing CSF 1.1 investments are preserved, and the transition primarily adds new governance capabilities. Approaching the transition methodically through assessment, mapping, gap analysis, and planning ensures a smooth upgrade. If this preview mapped out the path forward, the full Udemy course provides detailed mapping tools, governance templates, and transition checklists. Enroll today and lead your organization through the CSF 2.0 transition. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, start planning your transition to CSF 2.0.